Today we're going to be graphing inequalities. We're going to be doing it on a number line. Now, an inequality is an equation that uses either a greater than, a less than, a greater than or equal to, or a less than or equal to. They're inequalities because they're not quite definitely equal. They actually have what's called a greater range of answers. They can be graphed on a number line. And there's a key to this. If you are graphing it on a number line, an open circle means it's greater than or less than. A closed circle, or a filled-in circle, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. The best way I can think of describing it, when it's just greater than or less than, it's open. But once you put the little line underneath, you're filling in more. You're putting more on the greater than or less than, you're filling more on the number line. Here's some examples. This shouldn't take us very long to work through to be able to see. So come over with me to here. Our first example, x is greater than or equal to 1. Now I'm hoping that you can use a ruler to draw this because that'll make it much neater. So let me actually grab a ruler for once and draw it with a ruler. So I draw my number line on the board. Nice and straightforward. I like to put 0 in the middle. Remember, a number line goes positive and negative, and then measure out carefully each marking. You have a ruler, that should make it easy to do. With this one, it's greater than or equal to 1. First step, draw a circle at 1. I should say that that's 1. When I draw the circle, I then have another look. It's greater than or equal to. It's got the extra little bit underneath, so I need to fill in my circle because it's equal to, it's not greater than. It's greater than or equal to. Then I draw an arrow going up from there. All right? So it looks like that. It's greater than or equal to 1. The answer could be 1, 2, 3, all the way to infinity. What about our second example? It's a bit different. X is less than 5. Let me just draw 2 quick lines so I'm ready to go. But X is less than 5. Now my number line needs to be a bit bigger than the one I'm drawing here. So I'm actually going to start 0 over here. That's -1. Now mine's not evenly marked, I agree. It's just I'm running out of room, so I'm doing it this way. I look at the number, it's the number 5, so I draw a circle. In this case, I look and I see it's just less than. So I don't fill the circle in, but I do need an arrow that comes back and make sure it goes all the way to the end. Don't stop it back here, go to the edge of the number line. And then I just do that. Last one, x is greater than -3. Pretty straightforward again. This time 0 I'll put there, 1, 2 and 3 positive, but -1, -2, -3. You can see that now, hopefully. -3, I draw my circle. Again, it's just greater than. So I leave it open. Remember, when it's got the extra, you fill it in. But when not, just leave it open. But it's greater than, so make sure you draw it right up to the edge of the number line. So that's how we graph inequalities.